It is so yellow in here in the morning. But you know what? That's real. Good morning, YouTube. We're going to go spend the day together. I am going to start to make more day in the life videos that are not necessarily 100% about acting, but just incorporate the lifestyle of a working actor. Only part of it is about the job. A lot of it is about life and getting by, and I think there's so much that can be accomplished from just sharing those things. So that's what we're gonna do. My parents were just visiting. They just left. We had so much fun. My mom and I gardened. She helped me build out a full flower bed, which we will go visit and check on because I'm already nervous that, I don't know what could happen overnight, but who knows? I don't really understand how gardening works. We're going to figure it out. We had a great time. We went to an event that my parents were in town for. We went to some dinners. It was great, but I'm a little off track in terms of just day-to-day life, emails and work, and I need to go to the gym and all of these things. So I'm going to take you on my day. You can't tell, but it is about to rain. This window, that window, is my Roman Empire. I think about it. I dream about it. Lust for it. Love that goddamn window. Time to take the dogs for a walk, get a little gym session in, and we'll kind of chat along the way. Let's do it. I got cold. Got a little chunky. So this is what we would call a sniff walk. There is no, this is not for exercise. This is to get everyone's brain going, because everybody in this group's a senior, especially Grandma over here with the cheetah print. That's Willow. And so with the sniff walk, they just get to smell and sniff and take their time. And it takes about 30 minutes to do a block, but it's not my walk, it's theirs. This is at least once a day, so that way they get their brain going, and it's better than distance for their little bodies. We just have to be really patient. It's worth it. About once a week, I get really, really tired of being at my desk, so I just work in the living room, especially if my husband's gone. And then it's my living room. So, hi, do you want to come? No? You don't want to come up here? Second breakfast. I had a green smoothie. Then we got some yogurt with some oats and berries. Workout at 11. With my personal trainer. Hot tip. If you marry a personal trainer, you do not have to pay for sessions. So, catching up on some work I missed the last few days. Trying so hard. Home from the gym, took a shower, and I got my hair tied this week, and I'm holding on to this blow dry for dear life. So we're gonna make it last another day. And this morning I got most of my work done, but it's time to, when you send an email, and you're like, I'm done, I did my job. And then somebody responds to that email, and now the task is back on your list again. Now I need to check and make sure that I'm totally done with all my to-dos. One more time, lots of emails on Fridays. I like to clear out that inbox. I love an inbox 0. That's my preference, especially by the weekend. I try to clean it out or snooze emails so they pop back up when I need them. But I just don't like to have a bunch of stuff in there. I think it's really distracting and hard to find important things when they come up. So inbox 0 and get ready for the weekend. And I have some acting class materials to review because I missed acting class because yesterday the parents were here. So I need to review all of my tapes and we'll get to it. But now, this is lunchtime. realize this is a very, very, very big salad. It's cucumbers, chickpeas, greens, banana peppers, salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon. I might not eat it all, but I also might. It's a lot of cucumbers. That's so good. Okay. And then this is the scrambled eggs and egg whites, some toasted Dave's bread. Love the Dave's bread. Huge lunch. Very hungry after a workout. Let's eat. Newsflash to no one. I did, in fact, eat the whole salad. And I'm quite proud. It was delicious. Dishes. My enemy. I'll do them, fine. You know what? If you do them on camera, it feels more effective. This is the best pan in the whole world. It is called Tramontia. Gabrielle told me to buy it on Instagram. I use this probably 3 times a day, and nothing sticks to it. That was literally barely any soap and hot water. It is not non-stick like with the PFAS that will, let's be honest, they're already inside all of us, but such a good pan. Cannot recommend highly enough. And just get the big one. You want the big pan, just get the big pan. That's the end of my TED Talk. We have finished work for the day. We are closing up the station. It's my favorite time of day. Close. Put everything away where it belongs. Close out the shop. And yes, I have Crest white strips on. About every 4 or 6 months, I use like 4 or 5 of them every other day. It works. Now that work is done, this is the part of the week that I think is super important. Let's get you some light here. I'm terrible at thinking that I'm done. I'm terrible at thinking that I've done enough. So something I started this month was a color-coded calendar on my wall calendar to where each day, whatever is the most important thing, I put a sticky note on it in pink of the work thing that was the most important and green of the workout thing that was the most important. So that way, when I get tired at the end of the week, I'm like, man, did I do enough this week? It's like, yo, you did a lot. And this week, tomorrow, we are going to do a group workout at the gym. So like, these are planned workouts. If they happen, they happen. If not, like, green guy just goes down to the May. You know what I'm saying? So that is this week. So to review, this week has been a lot of stuff. What did we do? I filmed a class scene on Sunday. I did meetings and taxes on Monday. I had an audition and some One Broke Actress and Fast Forward pitching on Tuesday, an influencer workout, and I had my hair done on Wednesday. Plus, I went out to dinner with my parents. Thursday, I spent the whole day gardening with my mother, which was super fun. Clearly, someone needs to finish her nails after the gardening incident because, yikes. And then today, I'm filming a YouTube video and I got paperwork done. So this, just knowing that I did this much is something that's so fast for me to forget because maybe there's not results right away. So I can look back on this and be like, okay, great. When I want to chill, I want to chill. Now we move on to dinner time. I think we should have more YouTube channels with real kitchen lighting. It's very yellow. There's a plug going in the corner. We got our magnets and our pictures of our joy. Welcome to a real kitchen. We're not fucking around here. And yes, I have 7 minutes left with my white strip still. And yes, my t-shirt says, I'm trash. Real end of the week vibes, straight up Friday. So, time to cook dinner. This is the meal where we're either having fresh groceries that we just got or we are compiling together anything that's left in the house. So this week, what's left in the house is carrots, zucchini, boom, salmon, I just defrosted from Good Chop, boom, some chickpeas left in the container, some feta in here, I got an onion and some orzo pasta. So I'm gonna take all this, I'm gonna saute all the veggies. Then I'm gonna make the orzo, roast the chickpeas and the salmon, make a sauce with lemon juice, sprinkle the feta on top, and we'll have like Mediterranean bowls. Let's see what I can do. Start with bowls. Onions just for flavor. Watching my housewives, my helpers who are not allowed in the room, and the pot boiling. Well, not yet. So while I'm cooking dinner and making a YouTube video about how not every day is about acting, I get a message from my agent. It says, you have a callback next week in Atlanta. So, you know, it complicates things a little bit, but now I need to have my Atlanta home with Gabrielle call me back. She's on set right now, so I have to wait for her to wrap. She needs to call me back, and I need to tell her that I have to get my ass to Atlanta next week for an in-person callback. So it complicates the weekend a little bit, but this is what I'm talking about. This is like the day-to-day where like, I couldn't have predicted this. All I'm doing, I'm cooking in the kitchen, cooking up a meal with the kids. He made his way in here. Watching my shows, went to the gym, did the thing. Like, there was nothing more I could do today, but I still got that note, right? This was the fun. I love this. I'm so glad I had the inkling to film today. She wants to get to me. She goes, oh my God, the van is driving so slow. Jeez. I think she thinks I already booked this job, but Gabrielle is my co-owner. You guys have seen her in vlogs and podcasts in multiple places with me. She's an actress in Atlanta. We own a business there together. We're great as roommates. So when I work as a local hire, I stay with her. So now I'm going to work out with her over this weekend and arrange getting to Atlanta. I'm not gonna get information about the callback until Monday, I think. So it sounds like this will be a ongoing process, and I'm wondering if I should go to Atlanta on Monday just so I'm there, and then kind of see what the rest of the week brings. And then Caleb's parents are coming in town next week, so what a fun gig this is. I can't wait. So they contacted Brittany and said, I'm not booked, but they said we have Sam on our list for callbacks next week, and they are live. And I said, does live mean in person? And she said, and Brittany goes, yep. So I think I need to come see you next week.
Oh, I knew this was gonna fucking happen. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime fucking chance. Like, I cannot believe, but I also can believe.
What I've learned is that you and I get what we ask for, and it doesn't always look like we want it to, but we fucking get it.
We got exactly what we want. Oh my God, are you just excited?
Yeah.
You haven't had anything. You haven't had anything. It's been crickets.
I know. 2 auditions this year, and now one of them has a callback. Ta-da! Everything? All right, team. That's gonna call it for today. We need to relax. We need to watch a show. Can we watch Mr. and Mrs. Smith?
Yeah. And then a movie.
And then a movie.
Yeah.
And we have to get up early for a workout. TBD. All right. Gonna call it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the actor life, and I will talk to you very soon.